Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by selecting the tracking approach that fits your vehicle and needs. Choose smartphone app, factory telematics, OBD-ROMAN 2 dongle, or a dedicated GPS unit. Once chosen, install the device or app and grant location, background app refresh, and Bluetooth permissions. Make sure the tracker has power, hardwire, or insert a charged battery/SIM. Next, create an account and subscribe if needed. After that, pair the device with your phone or cloud service so the unit can start sending location data in real time. Once paired, you configure how the tracker reports locations and alerts. Set the update frequency, balancing accuracy against battery or data costs. For continuous monitoring, choose shorter intervals. For long-term tracking, choose minutes. Then create geofences and speed or entry/exit alerts and assign who can view data. Make sure antenna placement and a GPS or assisted services are enabled to improve fixed times. If you use an OBD or hardwired unit, verify the vehicle's electrical noise. You finish by validating the system. Take a short test drive, watch the live map, and inspect recorded tracks for gaps or drift. Then set a maintenance routine, check battery levels, firmware updates, SIM/data plan, and data retention settings. Keep the device cleaned and antenna unobstructed. If tracking stops or shows stale positions, reboot the tracker and your phone, confirm the SIM has data and signal, and recheck app permissions. If problems persist, swap the tracker to isolate hardware versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.